Why W3 School is important to web developer. W3 School is one of the best resources for anyone learning how to code, especially for beginner. It's important because it's offer clear, simple and easy to understand tutorial for wide range of the web development language and a tool like HTML, CSS, SQL, PHP, Python and more. Update content. Web development is constantly evolving and W3 School update its content regularly to keep up with the latest technology and trend. That means you are learning currently best topics, best practice and latest version. Great reference tool. Even experienced developer use W3 School as a quick reference guide. When you are coding and need to remember a practical function or property, W3 School is the great place to look up things. Here, why it's so valuable. Hand-on learning. W3 School lets you learn by doing. It has interactive coding environment where you can try out the code in the browser while learning, which helps you see how things work instantly. A structured learning part. If you are just starting out, W3 Schools offer a step-by-step guide for each language, so you do not feel overwhelmed. It's build your knowledge from basic to more advanced topics. Certification for those who want to prove their skills. W3 School also offers certification that can help boost your resume when you are applying for developer jobs. So, you are a beginner or someone looking to expert your coding skills, W3 School is reliable, easy to use resource that you can support your learning and development as a web developer. So thank you.